He's like, I want to go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Sure, go for it. I love these. The fuel pump is really loud. And that's with the 2V.
Activities.
God, the sound is good. Got the raw carbon right there. Of course, the door handle string. Love that. Well, I mean, I guess it's designed to go fast, right?
And it's on one on each side. You can pull up either side.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
I actually never knew that. That is insane. Wow. I did not expect that. Oh, not quite as tall as you expected. Ooh, that's a firm clutch.
Yeah.
It's like soft and then just goes.
Turn the key all the way around. Keep going.
Okay, and
Push the start button just where your thumb is, right
out
there.
there.
That's it.
That's it. I never realized it went all the way around like that.
Yeah, and then it folds.
Oh yeah, so you don't get in the way.
Yeah,
That was a little weird thing that they did.
yeah. So emergency brake.
Yep.
That's it.
That's it?
Yep. And then first is to the left and down.
Oh God.
It likes more revs because it's only a 2.9
Yeah.
liter motor.
Yeah. They have really low torque until like 4,000.
Yeah. Left here.
Oh, here?
When we first turn,
Yep.
we'll have a nice straight, so that's a good chance to get some boost.
Okay. Oh yeah, you weren't kidding about the brake pedal. It's pretty firm. Jesus. That is insane. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Holy crap. Around, just keep going.
Just keep going, yeah, just keep going straight. But at least you get to drive an F40 on a proper road versus just on a highway.
Yeah. Oh, this is a fantastic road. Love it's no power steering.
But it's light.
Yeah. I mean, it's nimble. You have to turn the steering ratio is really high. You gotta turn the wheel a lot to get it to go, but
That's right. Not like the 458. You just-
yeah, just barely flick it and it's off in the next lane.
One thing I was surprised with this car is that actually feels pretty solid.
Yeah, you know, it doesn't feel like it's not rattly, it's not shaky. Everything, like every input's really smooth.
Yeah.
The steering is just outrageously good. I mean, good God, there's zero body roll at all. Like it just, man. Like I feel like I'm doing the car a injustice by driving it so slow, but I don't really want to kill it. Wow. Yeah, you really got to get on that brake pedal.
You hit the brake a lot harder, it stops a lot harder too.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
If I remember correctly, there's a weird issue with the throttle cable on these sticking, and it can eventually break.
Okay.
And I can feel it sticking a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So you might want to like preventively look into that, because I've read about that happens, like just it like starts to wear,
Okay.
and it'll stick, and all of a sudden just snap the cable. It's funny, I don't realize how close my face is to this rearview mirror until you look over. You're like, holy crap! So when they imported, did they swap out the Speedo?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah. So my Euro one was broken.
Oh yeah.
So I switched it for the US. But I still have it, so
At least can still have the original parts.
switch it back. Yeah. These do nearly 60 miles an hour in first.
Jeez.
So
It's pretty tall gear.
yeah, it's geared. Well, it's 5-speed and it's geared for 200.
Yeah.
You know, your 4.58s are 7-speed geared for 200.
There we go.
Yeah. We should have clear roads now. This is tight in through here, and then it opens up a little bit further up.
Yeah, it really wants to be at 4,000 or higher.
It does.
Then it just comes alive. Wow. It's like a totally different car. That's insane.
Alright, if it gets straight through here, you can get on it more. And then it'll get tighter again.
Yeah.
But this is a straight shot right through here. All the way.
Something's off. It's not giving me.
Something not running right.
There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, it wasn't giving me any power when I gave it the accelerator. Now it's going. Okay, there we go.
I'm having a fueling issue. That's why I keep making sure it's full of gas. There's a check valve I gotta replace.
Might be sticking or something,
Yeah.
causing it to lean out or just pull out a
Just not
little.
getting the fuel.
Yeah.
Careful, these bits down here
Yeah.
are tight. Gotta go-
See some
just
bumps
go
on the
slow
sides.
here. This car wants you to beat on it.
It keeps asking for more. It's like, oh my god.
Alright, this part's pretty straight too. Jesus.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Like it rolls on and it just comes with a thunder. Man. This car is gonna ruin me. This is now my goal in life.
Good goal.
Holy crap. I mean, the handling's every bit as good as the 458. It's just raw.
Yeah, we're turning right here, so
Okay.
slow down. Almost to a stop. It's tight.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yep, right here. You can put it first.
Yeah. Oh, you can heel toe perfectly on this thing. Yeah, those pedals are huge.
Yeah, the pedal, there's not much space between them though.
No.
Look how pretty it is here. Look where we
Good
are.
Lord. Wow. Yeah, this does not suck. Oh, yep, it's doing it again. It's kind of, there it goes.
Hear it, yeah.
Yeah, it's like it gets stuck or something.
Yeah, it's the fuel. So slow down now
Yeah.
because we're close to the end.
Okay.
And there's a park, so we'll pull into the park.
Sure. Okay, I just lived item number 3 on my bucket list. It's every bit as good as everything you've ever heard about this car. It's absolutely insane. So the handling is really nimble, very light, but you know, no power steering, so you gotta really crank the wheel to get the turn. But it's so good, like it's as good as the 458. But then the power, so the power is super, it's gutless, completely gutless until like 3.5, 4,000. The turbo comes on and it just kicks you in the ass. And then it just it pulls harder. Like I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about like the way the power rolls on. It's insane, absolutely insane. The brakes are heavy, but they're good. Like it really brakes well, but you gotta really stand on the pedal. Pedal box is amazing. Everything about it, it's just a ridiculous car. It's freaking insane. I can't thank the owner enough. This is just amazing. I'm absolutely amazed. I'm speechless. I sound like a moron because I keep saying the same things over and over because I don't know words to describe it. But holy shit, that was ridiculous. I need one, so that's my new goal in life. Originally, that was the goal. I did that goal. Now I need this. This is the new goal.
You need to buy that car so you can help Dan buy
Right.
this one.
I'll make you a deal. If I buy this, I'm gonna drive the shit out of it. Holy crap. Insane. I'm just gonna get to ride. It is so insane. So insane. Alright, that's not a view that sucks at all. Thing's insane. It's got good pops and bangs on that thing too.
Yeah, I love the engine visibility.
Yeah.
It's so low. Yeah. good too. Yeah.
Does it suck? How much does that suck?
Pretty cool. It sucks, but it's cool at the same time.
Mexican roads are really smooth. Surprisingly, a lot of mountains.
Oh, you went for the tunnel.
Yep, it's running rich. Well, old car problems.